Hello everyone, and thank you for joining our final presentation. Today, our group will be presenting the Farm-to-Table Digo website, a platform we designed to promote community cooperation, sustainable food exchange, and Digo principles. Throughout this presentation, we'll walk through the goals of our project, the issue we identify, and the high-fidelity wireframes that represent the final structure of our website. Our project introduced Farm-to-Table, an online platform built around Digo values. The website connects farmers and community members who want to exchange food, service, and knowledge without relying on traditional monetary systems. The idea is to reduce waste, support local relationships, and offer a meaningful alternative to growth-centered consumption. Through our design process, we focus on creating a user-friendly, accessible digital space that encourages collaboration, education, and community resilience. The main goals of our platform center around sustainability and community impact. We aim to promote bartering as a way to reduce food waste, strengthen local partnerships, and educate users about Digo philosophies. We also want this to be an inclusive space that welcomes families, farmers, and environmentally conscious individuals. Ultimately, the platform challenges the grow at all costs mindset and encourages people to imagine a cooperative, eco-friendly alternative. Like anyone else, we encountered several challenges along the way. Early on, assigning roles was difficult, and some of our work overlapped before we refined our process. We also experienced technical issues on Canvas, where submissions appeared differently for each member. Once we set clear responsibilities and communication expectations, our workflow became smoother and more efficient. This challenge helped us understand the importance of coordination in collaborative design. This is our homepage, representing the main entry point of the website. The page immediately answers the question, why us? Through a hero message that promotes our mission. We include essential elements such as upcoming community events, announcements, and highlights from the barter store. The goal was to create a visually clean, intuitive layout that encourages users to explore the site and begin engaging with local food and community activities. Here we feature the barter store, which serves as the heart of the platform. This is where users browse items, filter or search through available produce or service, and post their own barter offers. We intentionally designed clear filtering tools and pagination to make the store easy to navigate. The layout helps users quickly find what they need while encouraging them to contribute their own exchange, strengthening community participation. The Community Hub focuses on interaction beyond bartering. It includes decision forums, local event listings, volunteer opportunities, and a shared calendar. The purpose of this page is to transform the website into a true community ecosystem, not just a marketplace. By offering a resource library and a collaborative environment, the hub encourages deeper connections among users and supports local initiatives. The Digo knowledge base represents the educational foundation of our project. The Digo education section hosts articles, resources, and downloadable PDFs that explain Digo concepts and sustainable living practices. Popular or frequently accessed articles are highlighted, making the page easy to navigate. Our aim was to provide meaningful, accessible content that help users understand the values behind the platform and apply them in everyday life. The seasonal produce calendar serves both farmers and families. Farmers can post upcoming availability and events, while users can see where and when fresh produce will be accessible for barter. This page enhances transparency in the local food system and helps families plan ahead. It also strengthens the relationship between the growing cycles of farms and the needs of the community. Throughout this project, we learned the importance of shared vocabulary and strong communication. The control vocabulary assignment helped align our team and created consistency in labeling and navigation. We also realized how essential it is to understand project requirements and deliver work that supports the overall user's experience. Collaboration, planning, and accountability were the key lessons that shaped our final design. Designing the farm-to-table platform taught us that building a sustainable, community-driven website requires more than just interface design. It involves understanding user needs, planning for accessibility, and creating systems that reflect meaningful social values. Developing our high-fidelity wireframes was a rewarding step, and the through personas and scenarios creation were challenging. They guide our decision and strengthen our final product. Thank you everyone for viewing our presentation. Thank you.